Hey guys, sorry it's been a while since I've done any videos, got busy. This is the state it's been in since October. I sold the wheels, the swing arm, and I ordered some 4-inch front by 6-inch rear wheels, and they've been delayed for about 2 months due to COVID. So I'm waiting for that, and then we ran into an issue where the motor got lost in shipping. It finally showed up late. Mopower built it, put it together for me perfectly. I mean, turnkey operation. I don't have to do nothing except hook it all up here. I did the 280 shock with the stock swing arm, but I'm probably going to go to the extended. It's just a little bit safer with the big power motor. I got a few more things I want to do to this bike as well. And then, you know, the Fatherz rear hub. Got matching EBC rotors now. We'll eventually upgrade the brakes. I do want to upgrade the odometer as well. Still got my mount I'm using here for the Hindle. But I'm going to go ahead and put this motor on. It's just 3 bolts. You got one here, and then one down here. That's it. 3 bolts, hook all the harness up, and then I'll finish the video and show you what else I got. All right, guys, took about 40 minutes. Got it in. I got all the harness hooked up. I had Nimrod make me a thicker fuel line here. As you can see, it's pretty thick compared to the factory. Look at the factory. See, tiny. And then, so I got that, got it all hooked up, running 15 34 sprockets with a 5-speed transmission. So my gearing will be pretty close to accurate on my speedometer. Fixing to hook up the Hindle. And then I'm going to run a catch can on this side as soon as I figure out where to mount it. Because I'm definitely going to need a catch can and a breather here. So that's where I'm at so far. I'm not real sure what else I need to do. It went in pretty easy. I mean, it's a little heavier than the stock motor, you know, because it's got a bigger head on it actually, but I think I'm just going to run a sock over this. He sent me an intake to go with this, but I mean, I'm going to have to relocate my coil and everything, and I'm just not ready for that. That's a 37mm throttle body. I just got stuff kind of laying out. Got to hook up my oil cooler, and then hopefully we'll be ready, almost ready to fire it up. So I'll keep you guys posted. All right, guys, sorry about the wife. Just kidding. All right, Hindle exhaust is on. Everything's torqued to spec here. Got the oil line hooked up. Apparently it doesn't matter which order you run these. And it's full of oil. Exhaust is on. It literally can be started now, but I kind of want to wait until I get my wheels on it because it might just rattle off the block here. I think I'm just going to keep with the short swing arm for now, and as soon as I get my wheels and tires on, we're going to start doing some videos of it cruising around and see if we can get some better videos going for you guys. It's a 210cc 4-valve Mopower built motor, Koso 4-valve head ported, and a 37mm throttle body ported with intake. It's running a 215cc injector. It has a special crank from Fatherz in it. Takegawa 5-speed transmission, 4th bearing. It does have a Koso clutch with a SMR clutch pack. internally with a Takegawa oil pump. That's it, factory starter. I'm running the special battery here, Shori, I think is how you say it, Shori or Shorai, S-H-O-R-A-I. And pretty good battery. It's got 300 cold cranking amps. It's enough to fire it up. But yeah, hopefully Thailand will get on it and get those wheels done. I know the 20th will be 2 months waiting. So hopefully not much longer. And I'll get some videos of riding it for you guys. See y'all.